Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm cooking quite a popular side dish, Chana Masala. Very good for you, it's vegan. Chana, which is chickpeas, it's very high in protein. So I'm going to show you how to make a Chana Masala side dish. So we're going to start off with your onions and peppers, so half an onion. This is the biryani onions that we call biryani onions, that goes into most of the side dishes and one of the curries and all of the rices it goes into. So we've got a pepper with the seeds off, and there's just small sizes. You want more onions than peppers. And your tomato, which we've sort of cut in half, and then we're just making these two kind of at the end. Okay, so then you mix it around. So you've got your pan, a little bit of oil, teaspoon of garlic ginger, and you've got your onions and peppers. Now, I normally add salt in your Bombay potatoes, your Bombay potatoes, and other curry dishes, because it has all the salt. But chickpeas and the mushroom, they've got no added salt. So the prepped in Bombay potato, the prepped potatoes already have salt in. I'm just going to put a tad bit of salt, not too much. So yeah, like I said, with the Bombay potatoes, the prepped potatoes have got salt, the gravy's got salt, so I don't put it in. Whereas this is fresh chickpeas, it's not been cooked, pre-cooked or prepared. I'm going to put that in. And a bit of your tomato puree, which I've shown you how to cook. So the chickpeas raw, it's actually, you can eat it raw, and it's really good for you. Very high in protein. I try and eat quite a bit of it. It's a bit tasteless raw. Obviously, we're cooking it tastes nicer. So if you do go easy on the oil and put less gravy sauce in, it's not too bad for you. You can have the Chana Masala. It's a lot more healthier than the other options. So now we're going to put our Desi style mix powder. About a teaspoon in there. And then you've got our chilled chili. I mean, like I said, it's optional. We don't put it as sides, we have it as a medium, so it's more, but some people do request, can we have it a little bit hotter, or we can just do it, and we easily just do it. We just put a bit of chili powder in. That's it. Okay, so we're using the same method. We're letting the spice just blend in and marinate into the chickpeas and the onions, so it really gets that flavour. It's very important before the gravy. You don't just sort of chuck the gravy in and then chuck the spice in afterwards. It doesn't just work as well. Okay, we're just going to put a little bit of base gravy in. And then you want to mix it. You want to put a little bit more than you think you're going to put in, because it's going to dry up a bit. So as you can see, it's drying up a bit. And then your coriander as normal, 2 of your tomatoes, cut tomatoes.